Man, that VEVOR is starting to look like Rich's over at Just Cooked That Damn Food. I need to get this thing cleaned up before I make this video. Damn! I'm out of my grill cleaner. What to do now? Oh, I got an idea. Hang on. There we go. When you're in a pinch, a little Coca-Cola. Well, it kind of works. I mean, at least it works on TikTok, but oh well. All right, welcome back, Griddle, Cook, Eat, and More. It's collaboration time. Rich from Just Cook That Damn Food has started collaboration. Hashtag Super Soda. I believe that's what it's called. I'll have to double check that, but I think that's what it's called. I'll put it up, put it in the description, flash it on the screen, all that. Anyways, hashtag Super Soda. Bunch of channels are going to jump in, so you can search it by hashtag Super Soda. Let's get into this. So for my concept of incorporating soda, I'm going to make what I'm going to call the Seattle Frisco Dog. So I'm a combination of a Frisco melt, kind of, sort of, and a Seattle Dog with a twist. My soda contribution to this cook is going to be Coca-Cola onions. And I'll insert a little clip right here, and you can see me making some Coca-Cola onions. All right, let's get some Coca-Cola onions whipped up here. First, starting off with a little dab of butter, or a big dab of butter maybe. Let's get our onions in. All right, for seasoning, we're gonna put some of my favorite in right here. It's black pepper. The main ingredient right there, Coca-Cola. All right, we're gonna let these things reduce down so we got a nice kind of thick texture here. There we go. I think we are good right here. All right, now that we got those Coca-Cola onions done, let's get this cook going. So what we're gonna do is we got some sourdough bread here. Some nice beautiful sourdough. We're going to get that, actually I'm using margarine. We're going to get some margarine on there and get that nice and toasted up on the griddle. Seattle dogs, they're basically onions, hot dog, and cream cheese. So we got some cream cheese I kind of whipped up. So we're doing 2 hot dogs, and we're going to split these, and I think I'm going to use my slot dog right there. Get some lines on them. We're going to get those grilled up, and then we're going to build it up. So we're going to put the dogs, cream cheese on each inside of the bread, dogs, and then the Coca-Cola onions on there. It'll be a nice crispy hot dog-ish sandwich. So let's get this rocking. So first thing I want to do is I think we're going to go on and get the bread on. Hot dogs won't take long to cook, probably just as long as it takes to do the bread. So actually what we're going to do, we're going to go over here so that way it's less messy. We'll get this all brushed up here. All right, looking good. Let's get those flipped over. Back over here, let's get these dogs split. And for hot dogs, we're using Burke's hot dogs here. So Burke's, I never really heard of him until I watched a YouTube channel called The Home Dog LLC. He's in Hanover, Pennsylvania, I believe. He's got a hot dog stand he sets up a couple places. He's doing a killing, great on social media. Sells a crap ton of hot dogs, but he uses Burke's, and I was intrigued by it, so I ordered up. I had me some Burke's shipped to me because that's in Pennsylvania where they make them, I believe, and I'm in St. Louis and they don't sell them around here, so I had to get them shipped. But however, that's what we're using. All right, let's get these spread open here. Just like that. All right, and then hopefully I don't break them in half doing the slot dog on these. Flip them over. Oh, there we go. Oh, good. They're still staying together. All right, there we go. All right, we'll get a little margarine down here for the dogs, since we got this here. I'm gonna get these nice and crispy on here, so we're gonna throw in my steak weight. All right, let's take a peek. See how we're looking. There we go, a little brownness there. All right, while them hot dogs are cooking, let's get some cream cheese spread out on my bread here. There we go. Take a peek at those dogs again. How we're looking. All right. I think we're good. Let's start building this thing. Probably bread's a little too big, or maybe I needed a third hot dog. Or we'll do we can just do like this. All right, we've got some hot Coca-Cola onions right here to slide on top. You know what? I'm going to add me a little Blackstone steak seasoning on there. Why not? I don't know. Kind of sounds good to me. A little coarse pepper, garlic, and stuff on there. Beautiful. And then we're going to get that on top. All right, we're going to let that go for a little bit. Get that browned up a little bit on the bread there. Get all that stuff melded together. It's sour cream, nice, warm, ooey gooey. Oh man, I can't wait. It's gonna be good. All right, let's give it a flip. All right, what we're gonna do here, add a little more margarine here. Get that extra buttered up. All right, let's get this bad boy a flip. See how we're looking. Slimy bastard. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. I'll get a little more down here. Let's get this other side real good. Oh yeah. All right, I think we're good to pull this bad boy off. There we go. Look at that. Let's get this thing cut up. Oh, that bread. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Kind of a slimy, slippery mess here. Those onions, and look at that right there. Hopefully that's focusing in. Focus right there. Oh yeah. All right, here we go. Let's give it a try. Wow. That's good. That's good. Let's get another bite here. Let's get right in the middle there. Get a good chunk of that hot dog and onions. Oh wow, wow, that's good. That's really good. Get the Coca-Cola onions, which are nice and sweet. There's a really good flavor to them. Cream cheese. I mean, what the hell? You can't go wrong with cream cheese. That super crisp sourdough bread. And those Burke's hot dogs, they're really good. Man, this is so good. I got to get another bite. However, this is part of a collaboration, and I got to make a correction. I did put earlier in the video hashtag Super Soda, but apparently it's changed to hashtag Super Soda Sunday. So check that out. Check out Rich at Just Cooked That Damn Food, who kind of started it. He worked with John at Okie Smokin'. They came up with the idea. But be out to look out for his video, Okie Smokin's video, Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking's video. I believe the Flat Top Noob's doing it. Rob's Backyard Barbecue, I believe that is. Anyways, bunch of channels. Just type into YouTube, search hashtag Super Soda Sunday. But that is it for this video. We'll catch you guys later. I'm out.